Hello and welcome to OT Quick Tips. My name is Mark and today I'll be teaching you how to place feature control frames without leaders in Fusion 360. Fusion 360 is a great and affordable CAD platform, however it lacks some of the conveniences associated with more expensive CAD platforms such as SolidWorks or Creo. If we try to place a control frame within Fusion 360, it automatically asks us to select an object. If we do so, it starts drawing an extension line and then a leader. But that's not what we want. According to ASME Y14.5 standard, we can also place feature control frames under dimensions or in the notes, charts, and the general tolerance block. Let's do an example by applying a tolerance to our 4 M6 clearance holes. First, we select the feature control frame tool and we select any arbitrary feature. We click once and press enter. We leave the feature control frame blank, and then we reselect the feature control frame tool. This time, we use the feature control frame we just created as an anchor for our new feature control frame. We click once and press enter. If we press OK, we now have a feature control frame that's empty and we can drag anywhere we want. If we double click it, we can then apply the tolerance we want. In this case, a position tolerance 0.3 at MMC with respect to datums A, B, and C. As you can see, there's a warning here, which says that the feature control frame is disassociated from any object. That's okay. Before we publish this drawing, we also have to delete our original feature control frame. Now, if we try to export our drawing as a PDF, we will receive a warning. This warning is telling us that we have annotations that are disassociated. However, if we click continue and save our drawing, there will be no adverse effects on the final drawing. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to click the like button and subscribe. And if you want to stay on top of all of our news, please check out orzotechnologies.ca/industry updates, where we post content on additive manufacturing, CAD, and project management. Cheers.